kind of need to put something here so I know where to look when I'm talking to the camera. I'm not used to doing it, but I always seem to look into this top right corner. Anyway, so yeah, Sunday, just working today. We haven't done anything around the house for a while. Need to look here, not there. Hopefully going to the Philippines in the next 2 months. We still got a whole house to move out, pack up and shift. These videos are mostly going to be me pulling funny faces and umming and ahhing. I could probably edit that out though. Keep looking at me, not at the little green dot. Need to put a massive circle here. I'm going to stop rambling on about that now. I do that a lot, I ramble and look the wrong way. Got a lot to pack up, everything, got a lot to sell. My barbecue went the other night and I'm really sad. I've had that barbecue since we moved into this house, and it was a ceramic Komodo, one of those big green egg style barbecues. And I used to love barbecuing. I stopped barbecuing so much since we had an air fryer, and my eldest, who's now 7, is a vegetarian, so I really stopped barbecuing when she stopped eating meat. Before she stopped eating meat, she was like a lion. So yeah, it was sad to see it go, and it's kind of put things into perspective a bit now that we're actually moving and things are slowly coming to fruition. Got my PC to sell. I did do a little tour the other day, but I think I'm gonna do that again. I don't think I'm gonna post that video, or I might post it because I need to get over this fear of talking and recording myself and practice looking the right way. Yeah, and all the YouTubers that I've been watching at the moment just say, just post videos, get on with it. Just don't be scared of how you sound, how you look. You know, no one's bothered about any of that stuff. It's just you're your biggest critic, which makes sense. That was Rob the Maritimer, by the way. So yeah, this recording probably isn't going to provide any value to you. It's more about me. It's more me. Just getting things right. I'm trying to get things right. Trying to do things. Yeah. So yeah, just working today. I do a combination of copywriting, image editing, and graphic design. And I work for an agency and also freelance myself. It's all focused around Amazon and e-commerce, which is one of the good things about what I do, is I can work remotely. So when we go to the Philippines, I have a job not lined up because I already do it, but I just carry on what I'm doing. When we went to the Philippines 2 years ago, I was working there, so it was a 3-week kind of like visit family / holiday, and for a week of that I had to work. So I missed out on some beach time, getting a first tattoo. Might get one this time around though. Let me know where I should get it. I've always said though, I would pay for someone to get a tattoo of me on them. If they get my face on them, I'll pay for it. You know, get a big back tattoo of my face, I'll pay for it. PlayStation right here on the wall. What shall I do with it? Do I bring it or do I sell it and buy one there? I read that the games on the PlayStation are all unlocked, so they're not region specific. But I'm worried about the plug, and I'm going to have to buy a lot of those adapters so that I can fit a UK plug into a Philippine socket. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff that we want to bring with us that we're unsure about bringing with us. Air fryer, the thing that replaced the barbecue. Sorry, barbecue, if you're watching this. Sorry. Yeah. Another reason why I'm doing this is to help me speak. Build up that confidence. So yeah, the air fryer, I want to bring it with us, but I might just get one out there. I don't know if you can buy Ninja products in the Philippines. And I've joined a couple of Facebook groups and they've all said that, yeah, it's just... be careful of the quality because there's a lot of stuff over in the Philippines that isn't all that great. I mean, I understand it's just how things are, but you can still buy things like Shark. I'm not sure if Shark and Ninja are the same. I'm going to look that up right now. Be right back.
A few moments later.
Oh, apparently. Yes, Shark and Ninja are both brands of the same company. Shark Ninja. Well, you learn something every day. I just thought it was, over here it was Ninja, in America and non-UK, it's known as Shark. Yeah, bring the air fryer. Well, not to bring the air fryer. Buy one there. Probably going to buy one there because our air fryer is quite old. We've had it for like 2 years and don't really want to pack a load of grease. Got a slow cooker though, which we've used a couple of times and it's pretty good nick. Probably going to bring that. But yeah, again, the PlayStation. Not sure what to do with it. Might sell it. Might bring that one. But I got to put it in a box, and it's going to have to take like 3 months to get there because it's going to be in one of those big brown boxes that I mentioned before. I'm not entirely sure what they're called. Look that up again. Balikbayan. Balikbayan. I think I said that right. Balikbayan. Balikbayan. Balikbayan? Balikbayan? Something like that. I don't know. For someone that's actually Filipino. My Filipino's terrible. I didn't have the accent. I reckon I sound like a farmer. Well, you let me know. Forgot what I was talking about. Yeah, that's just an update, I guess. I haven't got anything to say. There's a kid outside punching the air. Maybe he's excited for me recording my third video. Oh yeah, update on the passport. Don't know where the passport is. Probably lost it already. That was my Filipino passport. So, woohoo. Officially got a Filipino passport. That makes me officially an island boy. Officially, yeah. You know, I told you before that I was. But now it's official. Like Facebook official, but one step higher. Okay, yeah, nothing to say really. Ramblings, confidence building. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Thank you. You know, all that like, share, subscribe, jazz. You don't have to do that because this is just nonsense. But yeah, if you made it this far, you're a superstar. I didn't mean to rhyme. Okay, thanks. Come back soon. Well, you know, depending on how quickly I can get another video. I'm going to try and do one video a day. I just watched this other video about this other guy who's living in a van. He's off to Thailand. Life of Sai. He's posting UK vlogs. One video a day. He's on the video I'm watching is day 45. So I'm going to try and do something similar, even if it's just me rambling and talking gibberish, or maybe giving you a tour of the stuff that we're packing up, or the house that's messy. Might even get some videos of my little one doing backflips on the trampoline. Not that you want to see that, but she'd love to watch it. I mean, she'll probably be our only viewer. So yeah, fun stuff. Until next time.